Hello fellow plant friends, welcome back. In today's video I'm showing you how I set up my milsbo white IKEA greenhouse cabinet. If you want to see the video of the assembly first, I'm gonna link it in the top right corner. I used double-sided tape to attach the lights to the greenhouse cabinet. So obviously I cut the tape first, then stuck it to the lights before actually attaching them to the greenhouse cabinet. On the milsbo white, there's a little hole on the back wall that's actually used to secure the cabinet to the walls, I think. But you can use a saw to make the hole a gap and use this gap for the cables that need to go into the cabinet. Before the cabinet is fully assembled and the top is still off, there is a gap in the back between the glass panels where you can feed all of the cables through, and because now you have a gap in the top part too, you can simply fully assemble the cabinet and all of the cables have a place to go. Once everything was set up, I started to put some of my plants into the cabinet. I've had this cabinet for almost a year now, so obviously I changed out the plants a lot, but these are the ones I started with. And this is what the cabinet looks like at the moment. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one.